up guys, Akila here from mealprep.asia, and this week I made tempura prawn with pasta and veggies for 2 meal prep. Check it out. Alright guys, I have to admit I really wasn't feeling like cooking this week, but like my t-shirt says, keep going. I still gotta eat, you still gotta watch this video. So here I am making a very simple recipe that you can actually whip up with very minimal ingredients and very minimal time. These are the ingredients that you need for this recipe. So first things first, you need some extra virgin olive oil. You also need some panko breadcrumbs. So I've used panko breadcrumbs as my tempura. You need some potato starch, egg. You also need some veggies, so I have red capsicum and baby corn as my veggies. Also need some prawns. You peel it, you devein it and set aside. You also might want to tap the prawn dry just to absorb the water that's remaining on it. And of course you need some pasta. I actually got this pasta from someone, really appreciate it, thank you, and I'm trying it out in today's meal prep. So if you are ready and you have everything, let's get started. Alright guys, so to put together this tempura prawn meal prep, you gotta start off first by coating each prawn with the potato starch, egg, and also the panko breadcrumbs. So you gotta repeat this with every prawn. Take it easy. Once you've got all that, you set it aside and then hit a non-stick skillet with extra virgin olive oil. Once the pan is hot, you want to put in the panko breadcrumbs or the tempura prawn into the pan and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes or even 2 minutes aside. Not too long. As you can see, I've burnt some of it and you don't want to be like me, okay? Don't do that. So 2 minutes is enough, alright? As long as it's cooked, you take it off from heat and then set aside. Using the same pan, I've actually brushed off the remaining tempura bits that's on the pan. I've just brushed it off. I sprayed with a little extra virgin olive oil spray, and then I'm cooking my veggies. Very quickly too here guys, 2 to 3 minutes, and then set aside. Once everything is done, with the cooked pasta that you have prepared beforehand, put together your meal, put the pasta in. I've got about 1/5 size per serving. Eat according to your macros, put in the veggies, as many as you like, and then about 1 palm size of prawns. And then that's it. It's pretty easy, isn't it? Today's video guys, make sure you try it, and if you try it, do give me a shout out on Asian Meal Prep on Instagram or even on Facebook. I'd like to see your creations. And if you like today's video, of course do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would appreciate it. I'll see you guys again next week. Till then, have an awesome weekend. You got this guys, and also keep going. See ya.